Why does your scanner show the P2479 engine code? What does it mean? P2479 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature, out of range, bank 1, sensor 2. The P2479 engine code indicates an exhaust gas temperature out of range for bank 1, sensor 2. This means the powertrain control module has detected an irregular, implausible, or out-of-spec voltage reading from the temperature sensor monitoring your vehicle's exhaust and emission system. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Exhaust leaks. Faulty EGT sensor. Wiring issues. Carbon or soot buildup. Poor electrical connection. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Volkswagen, Chevrolet, Audi, and Nissan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.